house.
Okay, Mary, you have a warrant.
Steal the car.
I was just on the phone with them.
That's my cousin's car.
Get on me like that.
26 headquarters, it's a female. Alright, step out.
A suspect in a stolen car almost talks his way out, fooling the cops for a moment, but when the truth hits, chaos erupts. Stay tuned for the full breakdown of how this test drive turned into a wild arrest. A suspect in a stolen car tries to lie his way out, nearly convincing the officers his story checks out.
That's good. I just didn't want you blocking the entrance there. Do you have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you have any paperwork saying you just bought it or anything?
You might be at home, because I've been at home a lot.
Do you remember what dealership you got it from?
Oh, yeah. It's on the plate.
Yeah, I mean, oh. A&E Auto?
Yeah.
Okay. Did they give you that plate, or?
Yeah.
Why'd they give it to you?
They gave me 45 days.
So instead of giving you a temp tag, they gave you that?
Yeah.
Okay, they're not supposed to do that. But I'm not going to penalize you for something that
Thank you. I
may not have done.
I gotta pick up my wife from the airport.
Okay. You have a license?
Yeah, I got a license right here.
But when the truth is revealed, a fight breaks out and the dealership confirms he stole the car during a test drive.
Let's go. But we're going to have problems, and I don't think you want to mess with me. Oh. I think you want to mess with me.
You're trying to run it. What's his face? Don't take me. Don't take me.
Get out of here! Get out! Now! Now you're under arrest for assault a police officer!
I didn't do nothing.
The other hand behind your back. You hear me?
Yes.
You're going to jail. You assault me again, and we're going to have a problem. Do you understand that?
I didn't touch you.
You knocked my glasses right off my face when you punched me.
I apologize. I didn't. Oh my God! I didn't mean to punch you. I didn't try to punch you. I was just trying to get away. I promise.
I told you not to do this.
My wife coming home.
You stole the car.
I didn't steal the car.
I was just on the phone with them.
That's my cousin's car.
Yeah, you do. House, bitch. There you have a warrant.
While on routine patrol, Georgetown police spot Mary McElroy walking on US 68, a woman with a violent past and an active warrant.
You fat river horse. Oh well, fat river bitch. Oh well. I gotta run. Job done.
After a tense struggle and backup from the Brown County Sheriff's Office, McElroy is taken down and booked for resisting arrest and assaulting an officer. An Ohio officer initiates a traffic stop after spotting a blue Buick linked to felony warrants. The female driver, appearing intoxicated, becomes hostile and erratic.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back. Why did you take off like that?
I'm sorry.
Were you drinking or something?
No.
Where are you coming from?
Brunswick. Can you stop pulling me like that?
Nope. Do you have anything in your pockets?
Oh, yeah?
Oh, yeah?
I don't know. You want to check me? Search me real quick. It may feel intimate.
Alright, stop. Sitting there.
No, you don't want to stop.
Are you on something right now?
No. I just came from dinner with my trip.
How much you have to drink there?
2 doubles.
2 doubles of what?
Patron.
Okay. So you are drunk.
And I'm going to keep it a buck with you.
Where's the owner of that vehicle?
I don't know.
Who's-
I just bought it.
Right. 26 to 25. What is
You
your
want a
name?
drug bust?
What's that?
You want a drug bust, don't you?
So you have drugs in the car?
I don't.
Okay. All right.
And you want to check it?
We are gonna
'Cause
check it.
My trick.
That vehicle is gonna get towed.
Okay. So you gonna give me the clothes out of it?
All right. Yeah, we'll get what you need out of it. What is your name? Stay in the car.
Grace.
Stay in the car.
Okay, I understand.
Get in the car. Get your
okay.
leg in the car.
Listen, handsome man.
Get your leg in the car.
You feel some type of way because my leg ain't in the car?
Get your foot in the car. Just stop. What is your name?
Grace.
Grace what?
Grace. Yeah.
Do you know your social?
No.
All right. I'm gonna get your driver's license out of your purse, okay?
You can do that.
All right. Put your foot in the car. Oh no. Is on.
Shoes. No, shoes. Shoes. Because I already pissed in your car.
All right.
You can have them. I couldn't hold it.
Door 22, please.
What's your name? Logan? You look like a Logan.
No.
You gonna let me keep pissing?
No, come on.
Here.
Do you not understand?
Yeah.
I'm saying.
I got you. I get it.
I'm saying.
I understand
I'm
what you're
confessing
saying.
to your piss test.
Right, I understand.
You understand that?
I do. I got it.
But y'all didn't.
Right, I got you.
No.
23.
No, you don't.
I know.
No, you don't.
Right.
No, you don't.
I got you.
No, you don't.
Stand by for a minute. Hey, come stand right here at this window. Stay right here.
No! No, y'all wanna rape me!
Yes.
Stop! Y'all wanna rape me! Stop! Stop! Stop trying to rape me!
Get in the car.
Don't put me in the car!
Grace?
Don't put me in the car! I was stripped outside the car! I was stripped outside the car! Please don't put me in the car! Please don't put me in the car! No! 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 No!
In the car.
You trying to put me to Mexico! Stop!
Watch out for all that. You're right.
You trying to put me in
Grace!
Mexico!
Quiet! And get in the car!
You're trying to put me into Mexico!
No, we're not!
You're trying to put me into
Don't kick! Don't kick! Don't kick! Don't kick!
You're trying to put me into Mexico!
Yes, you're gonna be in your own urine here in a second. Just sit up, dear.
After damaging the patrol car and resisting cooperation, she's taken to the hospital for clearance and later charged with OVI, assault, and more.